Have you ever been using the pen tool in Illustrator and it starts doing this? And it makes you want to do this? Let me fix that for you. Alright, I've opened up Illustrator and I've got the pen tool here. I'm going to create kind of like a blocky spiral. And it's going to look fine until I get to right about here. And you'll see that it starts to basically delete itself. And what's happening here is that Illustrator has already said, hey, I already filled this area. And now I'm having to fill it again. So when those two fills overlap, Illustrator is telling itself, okay, I'll just delete those sections. And when you overlap it again, it's going to start to fill it again. And this can be fun to play with and great if you're looking for Illustrator to work this way, but if you're not, it'll drive you nuts. So here's how to fix it. Go up to Window and go down to Attributes. And you're going to want to change it from the even odd fill rule to the non-zero winding fill rule. And there you go. Look, you've heard the whole subscribe thing a million times by now, so it's not like I'm gonna get on my knees and beg you to subscribe. Please, anybody, somebody needs somebody to subscribe. That would just be ridiculous. But if you wanted to, that would be great. Thanks. Until then, if you want to problem solve some more with me, you can check out these videos here. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.